Breastfeeding can feel overwhelming at first, especially for new moms. If you're wondering whether you're doing it right, you're not alone. Breastfeeding is natural, but it's also a learned skill for both you and your baby. In the first hour after birth, your baby is usually most alert. This is a great time to try your first feed. Your body produces colostrum, a thick, yellowish milk packed with antibodies that protect your baby from infections and help build a strong immune system. One of the most important parts of breastfeeding is achieving a good latch. Bring your baby to your breast, not your breast to the baby. Their mouth should cover most of the areola, not just the nipple. When latched correctly, breastfeeding shouldn't be painful. A gentle tugging sensation is normal, but sharp pain is not. Newborns typically feed 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period. Feeding on demand helps establish your milk supply. Crying is actually a late hunger sign, so watch for early cues like rooting, sucking motions, or bringing hands to the mouth. Many new moms worry about whether their baby is getting enough milk. Wet diapers are a great indicator. In the first few days, diaper output increases steadily. By the end of the first week, most babies have at least 6 wet diapers per day and regular bowel movements. Positioning can make a big difference. Common positions include the cradle hold, cross cradle hold, football hold, and side lying position. Try different positions to find what's most comfortable for you and your baby, especially if you're recovering from delivery. Breastfeeding challenges are common, especially in the early weeks. Sore nipples, engorgement, and blocked ducts can happen, but they're usually temporary. Proper latch, frequent feeding, and gentle breast care can help prevent many issues. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant. Remember to take care of yourself too. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and rest whenever possible. Breastfeeding burns extra calories, and your body needs fuel to produce milk. Breastfeeding is not about perfection. It's about connection, nourishment, and doing the best you can for your baby. With patience, support, and practice, breastfeeding often becomes easier and more enjoyable over time. Trust yourself, trust your baby, and know that every feeding is a step forward.